Hello, my name is George Eastman. I was born in Waterville, New York on July 12, 1854. I had two older sisters. The oldest was named Ellen Maria, and the other one was named Emma Kate. I also had an older brother who died before I was born. In 1860, my mom and dad decided to move to Rochester, New York. Sadly, in 1862, my father got very ill and died of a brain disorder. After my father died, I had to find a job to support my family. Mr. Cornelius Weigel, a well-known insurance agent, hired me when I was only 14 years old. Shortly after I started working, my sister Ellen Maria got married to George Worthington Andrews. In 1869, I quit working for Mr. Weigel and got hired at another insurance company called Buell and Brewster. Tragically, on December 3rd, 1870, my sister Emma Kate died of polio disease. Then in 1874, I went to work at the Rochester Savings Bank. In 1878, I began an interest in photography, so I started experimenting with dry plates and emulsion mix. Dry plates are glass plates with emulsion mix, which is chemicals on it that make the pictures. I found this experiment in a British magazine. In 1880, my business partners, Henry Strong and William Walker, and I made the Eastman Dry Plate Company. We were doing great when suddenly some of our dry plates got recalled. Luckily, some of our expert scientists figured out what was wrong with them. After a big success with our dry plates, we said to ourselves, why don't we make photography even easier than we made it before? So we started producing film. In 1884, we changed our name to the Eastman Dry Plate Company. Later in that year, my older sister, Ellen Maria, died. In 1892, we changed our name yet again to the popular Eastman Kodak Company. In 1900, we sold the Brownie camera for $1. It was so simple, even a child could use it. In my later years, my products were such a success. In 1902, I became a millionaire. Sadly, in 1907, my mother died at the age of 85. After that, I decided I would retire, so I did. I also like to donate to colleges like the Tuskegee Institute, MIT, and the University at Rochester. I even took a few trips to Africa with my friends. My life ended tragically in 1932. I was 78 years old. My career changed photography forever, and my legacy will also live forever because my company and I make wonderful cameras and color film.